This is a final video to fix Davinci Resolve unable to import project files. Are you struggling to open your projects in Davinci Resolve? Many users face this issue because the software sometimes fails to read certain file formats or corrupted project data blocks. You might have tried solutions from other videos or posts, but they're usually long, confusing, and hard to follow. On Rexist, I have a simple trick that works instantly. You can fix this problem in just a few clicks without reinstalling the software or changing complicated settings. This method saves time and stops all those frustrating errors from popping up. If you want to show the full step-by-step tutorial, comment below, and I'll make it easy to follow for everyone. Trust Rexist to make tech problems simple and fast.